Have you ever wondered, what if you want three elements from a list instead of just one? Do you need three separate index numbers? The answer is no. Python has a powerful feature called list slicing that lets you access multiple elements with just one line of code. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works. Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we learned how to access one element using indexing. Today we'll learn how to access multiple elements using slicing. This is slicing. The general syntax is list start colon stop. Start is where slicing begins, stop where slicing ends. The start index is included, but the stop index is excluded. We started from index 1, so mango is included. Python keeps taking elements until it reaches index 4, but doesn't include index 4. If we omit the start index, Python automatically starts from the beginning of the list. Similarly, if we omit the stop index, Python continues until the end of the list. When both the start and stop indexes are omitted, Python returns the entire list. Did you know you can access every second element, every third element, or even reverse an entire list using just one line of Python code? No loops, no extra variables. So far, we learned basic list slicing using list start colon stop. We'll make slicing even more powerful by learning step value, reverse slicing, and negative slicing. We have created a list containing 10 numbers. In the first print statement, notice there are two columns. The syntax is start, stop, step. The third value is called the step. It tells Python how many positions to move forward after selecting an element. Step 2 says skip one number every time. Python starts from the beginning. It selects 10, skips 20. Then it selects 30, skips 40, and continues. In the second print statement, now the step is 3. Python selects one element and it skips two values every time. A step of 3 doesn't mean take 3 elements. It means move 3 index positions between selected elements. In the third print statement, the start and stop are omitted. The step is -1. A negative step tells Python to move backwards instead of forwards. So we can reverse an entire list. -1 is one of the most commonly used Python shortcuts. You'll often see it in coding interviews and existing Python code. We have already learned negative indexing. Let's combine it with slicing. -5 -1. This means start at -5 and stop before -1. So we got 60, 70, 80, and 90. In the last slicing example, we are moving backwards. We start at -1, which is 100. The step is -1. So Python moves toward the beginning of the list. It stops before reaching -6. So we have got 100, 90, 80, 70, and 60. Many people write -1 -6 and expect the list to move backwards, but it returns an empty list. By default, slicing moves left to right with a positive step. If your start index is greater than your stop index, you must provide a negative step. So today we learned step value, every second element, every third element, reverse a string, negative slicing, and backward slicing. I hope Python list slicing is crystal clear now. Try these examples, change the indexes and step values, and observe how the output changes. That's the fastest way to master slicing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.